How to search for keywords that will drive traffic for your competitors. Easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can find the keywords that are getting traffic for your competitors and you can analyze and use them in your content as well. So let's get into it. Now, everyone knows about keyword research and everyone knows the basic tips and tricks on how to get started, but what is a better way to get started rather than to analyze your competitors? So, I'm going to be focusing on that today. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of analyzing your competitors, you need to assess the difficulty of ranking for a specific keyword. So, one thing you need to make sure of is that, let's say I'm just starting off with a fashion blog. Now, if I'm just starting a fashion blog, I cannot expect the same search volume to be redirected towards me just because I'm using the same keywords as maybe Vogue is using. That is a blog or a platform that is super well established. So you need to assess the ranking difficulty and compare and contrast with blogs that are on the same level or content creators that are on the same level as you. So, whenever you are searching for a keyword to target, make sure you check the number of referring domains, the rank of the referring domains that are referring back to that website, and the topical relevance of the top results. So, you need to make sure you are assessing these factors prior to targeting a keyword because if I target something like Gucci, so if I search for Gucci, obviously the top result will be Gucci. It will be their Instagram, their Twitter, their Wikipedia, their Facebook, their LinkedIn, YouTube, their Vogue collection. So make sure you're targeting a keyword that actually will yield you some results. Now, after that, you need to generate some ideas using 1 to 2 seed keywords. Now, you might be wondering, hey, aren't we supposed to analyze our competitor? Well, how do you find your competitor if you don't know what you're creating content on? So let's say I want to create content on fashion style and I want to post something like 5 tips for looking slimmer. So I want to target this long phrase keyword. So this is the overall topic that I want to target or write a blog on. That is the example we're going to take. Let's say I want to write a blog on fashion and style, and the topic I want or the title that I want is 5 tips for looking slimmer. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go on and open up Google Trends, and you're just going to copy whatever your seed keyword is, and you can just post it on Google Trends. Now you're going to search for this term over here. You're going to search worldwide. Now, what you're going to do once you input that long phrase keyword onto Google Trends is that you are going to get a relative idea of what is being searched. So you can see 5 tips for looking slimmer is not as popular as how to look skinny. That is a search term that is getting a lot of search. So what you can do once you have added a couple of different seed keywords onto Google Trends is that you can scroll down and you also get related queries or the 5 areas that people are searching these titles the most, and you can go on ahead and focus your geographical targeting onto those areas. Now, to better analyze your competition, you're going to use the tool called keywordseverywhere.com. So this is a Chrome or Firefox extension. You're just going to click on install for Chrome or Firefox. We're going to just click on add to Chrome, add extension. And once you have added this extension, what you're going to do is you're just going to use Google as you normally would. Just search for that specific target keyword phrase that you want. Now, after that, you can see over here, I have my SEO difficulty on the right side of my screen. I'm going to get all of the tools, all of the analytics provided by Keywords Everywhere. So I'm also getting related keywords for that. I'm also getting similar search results. So people that search for this, what are the other things that people search for, as well as long tail keywords for that specific word that I have searched. So in this way, you can analyze the content that is going to rank better. So once you create a article or blog on the specific title that you search for, you can create articles on the ones that people also search for whenever they are searching for this, and this will enable you to create content that is optimized for your specific viewership. Now, another great thing you can do with this is that you can just open up a specific article or open up any kind of platform, and they also show you the number of keywords that are being used, the keywords that it is hitting, the overall analysis. So you can click on bulk keywords data and you can also purchase some of their other features to get more detailed analysis on the specific organic keywords that they are ranking for, or as well as some other backlink information that you might want. You can do that as well, or you can simply go on to Ahrefs. So Ahrefs is another great platform that you can use to analyze your competitor, and what you just need to do is you can go on ahead and check their backlinks. You can click on Website Authority Checker, and then you can just copy the URL of your competitor, and then you're going to go into the Ahrefs tool. You're going to click on paste over here, and then you're just going to click on check authority. And now you can see the domain rating is 90. This has over 47 million backlinks and 138k linking website. So you can see this website definitely has super good website authority, and it will be very difficult to outrank this. Now you can also search for keywords on the Ahrefs tool and search for the difficulty of a keyword. So 5 tips for looking slimmer. I'm going to search for this keyword over here. And using their keyword difficulty checker, you can see this does not have a lot of search results. So this is a keyword I would usually drop, and instead I would search for how to look skinny. Now you can see when I use the Chrome extension and I get analysis on similar search results. So I have related keywords: how to look thinner overnight, how to make yourself look skinny when you're fat, how to look slimmer, tops that make you look slimmer, how to dress slim and tall. And what I can do is I can put this into Google Trends. Now putting this into Google Trends, I can see how to look skinny still outranks this keyword, but this keyword is a lot more popular than our initial choice. Now we can just remove our initial choice, and we can begin adding more keywords that the keyword researcher tool is suggesting, and you can use that to analyze where most of the web traffic is going using Google Trends or the keyword research tool as well. So if we go on back to our keyword analysis tool, you can see whenever you are looking at an item, you will see the organic traffic per month for this URL, the total keywords that it ranks for, the organic traffic per month for the entire website, as well as the total keywords that the entire website ranks for. So this will give you a good analysis on the entire website, what kind of content they are ranking for, and how many keywords that they are targeting for ranking for a specific type of content. Now, whenever you're trying to rank, it is very essential that you understand that you just don't target one keyword, you target as many as you possibly can within reasonable expectations. You must rank for as many keywords as you can. So try to input your title keyword as well as similar keywords in your entire article or content, whatever it might be. Now you can see over here the organic traffic for this specific blog over here is 0. They have 0 total keywords that the URL ranks for, but they have a lot of organic traffic for their overall blog, and the total keywords that the blog is targeting is over 16,000. So that is why they are ranking on the top page of Google. Now you can see below that this article ranks for 23 keywords, as well as total keywords of 2,000 for the entire website, and as well as a 6 per month organic traffic visits for this URL. So keeping in mind these tips and tricks, you can easily analyze your competitors and be able to replicate their content, or replicate the formatting of their content more so, to get more views for your content as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.